Hey guys and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make any footage within DaVinci Resolve black and white. I'm also going to show you how you can play with the contrast a bit. But first guys, if you want, you can go down on this video in the comment section and click on the first comment that I pinned. This will bring you to my Fiverr and here you can get a YouTube logo and banner or a modern minimalist YouTube logo and banner for your YouTube channel. But now back to the video. Now to get started here, I'm actually going to right click here and do import media to actually import the media in question. Okay, I have this video right here of Sekiro standing in front of fire. It's a short 10-second video clip. I'm going to double click it. I most of the time do change here because it will adapt to a 60 FPS, but that depends here. And I'm going to place it right here. Okay, as you can see right here, we have it on our timeline. You can play it a little bit if you want. You see this is what it looks like. Now I'm going to make it black and white, so you want to go to color and make sure it's selected here. Now I only have one clip, but in case you have more clips, make sure that the right one is selected. As I said, color. And so we're going to simply bring back the saturation here. As you can see. Very simple, so now it looks like this. For example, if you want more contrast or play with the highlights, you can do that here, for example, if you do a little bit on the highlights. More importantly, if you do the shadows, as you can see, it makes it a bit darker, it looks a bit better. That of course depends on the footage in question. But as you can see right here, if you play again the footage, we just made it black and white with some highlights and contrast. So yeah guys, quick tutorial here, hope you enjoyed it. Please leave a like, it would be really nice. Subscribe would also be really nice. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.